quadratic graphs. The general form for the quadratic function is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So quadratic graphs, ax squared, second degree polynomial, the form of ax plus bx plus c. What I want to do is I always want to find first, so my first step will be to find the y-intercept. My y-intercept is where x equals 0, and you will see that this is always x equals my constant c value. Because if x is 0, then this will be 0, this will be 0, and y equals c. My second step will be my x-intercepts. My x-intercept is where y equals 0. In this case, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And now there's two ways of finding this. The first method, because I need to factorize this. So the first way is to use the null factor. The null factor. And the null factor is where you use the brackets equals 0. So you have to factorize. The second method of doing that is by using my quadratic equation. Equation, which means, and I'm just going to change colors because that sucks, that is where x equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. There's a shortcut to check it on your calculator, but you still have to show these steps. Once I have the x-intercepts, I would like to know what is the x value of my turning point. So the third step will be the x value of my turning point. The x value of my turning point will equals, x will equal minus b over 2a. So it needs to be in this form, and then I'll find minus b over 2a. To find the y value of my turning point, I will sub x into fx. So if I know what's the x value, I just have to substitute the value back into my original equation and find what is the value of y. The last thing that I need to do is I need to discuss the shape. Now the shape depends on a. So fourth is the shape. If a is greater than 0, which means a is positive, so a is positive. If I have positive a, I am smiling, which means I have a minimum turning point. If a is less than 0, it means that we have a negative a. If a is negative, I am frowning, so I've got a shape like that, and it means I have got a maximum turning point.